Hey everybody, today I'm going to be telling you the difference between our street skins and street gloves. Now beginning with these are our street skins. They are the entry level gloves in our lineup. They're very comfortable, they're very accessible in terms of price. You get three very nice graphics. This one is the Toxic Roads graphic, which I like very much. The cuff is very short, we have Kai-Tai fabric on the inside, it's very flexible. And all in all, a great city glove. Finger four shades keep the ventilation levels good, and today in Mumbai is super hot, you really need that. In terms of protection, you have an enclosed knuckle protector which lends a very clean and sleek look to the glove. Also some padding on the inside. So all in all, a great daily driver, very comfy, very lightweight and very non-intrusive in terms of whatever you're going to be doing on the daily. Let's get to the street gloves. These are the street gloves. Let's change into these now. On this one, the heat seeker, you will notice the external knuckle protection. The street gloves are actually available with the option of an external knuckle as well as an internal knuckle. And more crucially, the inside is where you will see more differences. The silicone pads here allow for a lot better grip compared to the street skins. And more crucially than that, you get a palm slider here, a hard palm slider. So when you fall, your palm will slide across the road. So all in all, these are more protective than the street skins. Also priced slightly higher, but still super accessible. So that's the difference between the street skins and the street gloves. Depends what you're looking for in a glove. Really, both are great products. You can buy both at Tiivra.com. If you have any questions regarding the product, please drop them in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Cheerio!